A vibrant fusion of cultures. Notting Hill Carnival 2025. A spectacle to behold. London's West Side transformed into a dazzling display of color, music, and dance as the Notting Hill Carnival took center stage once again. The annual event, celebrating its glorious 50-year legacy, brought together thousands of revelers, performers, and visitors from around the globe to honor Caribbean heritage and culture. As the sun shone bright, the streets came alive with the vibrant hues of elaborate costumes, rhythmic beats, and infectious laughter. The carnival, which kicked off on Sunday with a special tribute to children, continued its momentum through Monday, captivating audiences with its diverse array of performances and activities. One of the highlights was the main parade, featuring a mesmerizing lineup of groups such as Bajan Raw Liquor, Mahogany, Chocolate Nation, Maz Africa, Vinci Alliance, and United Creole. These ensembles paid homage to the rich traditions of Trinidad and Tobago, Barbados, St. Lucia, Grenada, Jamaica, Dominica, and Haiti, showcasing the beauty and diversity of Caribbean culture. Adding to the cultural tapestry were Brazilian performers from Paraiso Samba School, Batala, and Dende Nation, who joined forces with established UK community bands to create a truly international spectacle. The air was filled with the sounds of steel drums, calypso, reggae, and samba, creating a festive atmosphere that was impossible to resist. The costumes worn by the performers were nothing short of spectacular. Lauren, one of the participants, proudly shared that her outfit featured approximately 500 sparkling jewels, meticulously crafted by her sister, while she herself created the dazzling tiara. "It takes about 2 hours to make each tiara," she revealed to BBC London. "Starting as simple wire frames, we wrap them with fabric and adorn them with gems to create these stunning pieces." Among the crowd, the sense of unity and joy was palpable. James Lewis, 41, traveled from Birmingham to experience the carnival, expressing his delight in witnessing the fusion of various cultures. Maria James, 34, echoed his sentiments, describing the event as a slice of the Caribbean in the heart of London. In a touching tribute, Matt Vernon from Beat Carnival in Belfast shared that his group performed with puppets to honor Sonny Blacks, a significant figure in the early days of the Notting Hill Carnival. "We created these puppets with great care and professionalism in just 2 weeks," he said, emphasizing the physical effort and positive energy required to bring them to life at the carnival. Dorilio Alexander, 33, an Amsterdam-based performer, expressed his excitement about being part of the Ebony Steel Band at the carnival. "It's going to be a huge party," he exclaimed. "We're going to rock the place, and it's always a pleasure to be here, doing what we love." The event attracted an estimated crowd of over 1 million people, all eager to soak in the festive spirit. Carnival Chair Ian Comfort praised the event's success, describing it as spectacular and safe thus far. However, he also highlighted the importance of securing funding to ensure the carnival's continuity. In June, Comfort wrote to Culture Secretary Lisa Nandy seeking government support, emphasizing that without adequate funds, the event's safety and quality would be compromised. The carnival concluded with a poignant moment of silence at 1500, honoring the 72 lives lost in the Grenfell Tower fire tragedy, as well as those who have passed away at previous carnivals, and Kelso Cochran, whose untimely death in 1959 served as a catalyst for the establishment of the event. This act of remembrance underscored the carnival's role as a symbol of unity and resilience. As the festivities wound down, Kensington and Chelsea Council reported that an estimated 150 tons of waste had been collected following Sunday celebrations. With a projected total of 300 tons by the end of the weekend, 180 staff members and 45 vehicles worked tirelessly through the night to ensure the area was ready for business on Tuesday morning. If you miss the Notting Hill Carnival this year, fear not. Join us next year for another unforgettable celebration of culture, music, and community. Share your experiences and stories with us. Whether you're a street trader, part of a mass band, involved with a sound system, or simply enjoyed the festivities with friends and family. We can't wait to hear from you.